I've had vision problems since I was in the second grade. During my first eye doctor visit, I was told that I needed glasses. At that point, I believe I walked out of the eye doctor's office with my new pair of glasses, and subsequently told my mom that I could actually see the leaves on a tree. So it was kind of an awakening for me, and kind of has been a detriment ever since. My vision problems, as at a young age, it affected me with playing around outside. Glasses would always fall off or slip down. To the age I am now as an adult, it's hard. Getting up in the morning, you can't see at night. You're basically keeping your contacts in up until the time you go to bed, even though they are dry, and it's just a real uncomfortable feeling living your life that way. 6 months ago, I had my eye surgery. I had a Staar ICL, implanted contact lens, and vision was miraculously changed almost days afterwards. I went from seeing negative 10.5 vision correction to 2015, and still today, 6 months later, I'm still reading 2015. A life after surgery is, you wouldn't think there'd be a big difference, but there really is. I know starting off the first couple months, you reach for your glasses, your mind triggers you thinking that you can't see when you wake up, and then you almost have to tell yourself to focus. Since then, I've noticed just it's so much easier. You don't have to think about carrying around a contact solution or drop somewhere, or worrying about if you have a case or if you're going to be spending the night with your contacts in. It just really frees you up to do a lot of things. You wouldn't think it'd be that big of a burden, but when you finally come to terms that you don't have to use it anymore, it's almost it's just a real freeing feeling. I first met with Dr. Whitsitt to review some of the options that I had for my surgery. Given that my vision was needed a great deal of correction, the Staar ICL procedure was the best option for me. He explained to me, the details of the procedure. He didn't just tell me all the goods, but there is some there can be complications with it. But given the measurements of my eye, there was a high rate for success. He was there with me all the way up till my procedure date, and it was very quick. The procedure, I wasn't out. They made me very comfortable. It took maybe a minute for them to actually put the lens in my eye, and recovery was a little to no time. And he did a great job of keeping up with me on my post-op, making sure everything was well, tracking me, months, weeks out from my procedure, and just really, gave me a vote of confidence knowing that I was in good hands and that this was going to be a success.